Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I've got a really cool knife in here. I know exactly what it is, not because I've already opened it, but because I've literally been waiting by the door for the mailman to come. This is one of those rare videos where you're actually seeing it on the day that I unboxed it, and that's because I wanted to get it up on YouTube quickly. I started to record the video, got this opened up, and then I realized the orientation of my phone was incorrect. So I actually have not fully unboxed it yet. You'll just have to take my word for it, but whatever. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So, save all the trouble of, I promise I did use the newly sharpened scalpel. I know that that's has to be the case on this channel. So this is from DLT Trading. This is actually a DLT Trading exclusive Spyderco, one that I am very excited about. Look at that. Yeah, that's cool. So, this is a knife I have already reviewed. This is the Spyderco Smock. But what's special about this guy is that it is with red G10 and M390. This was not a knife that I could pass up. Boy, that's nice and smooth. I have to remember that the Smock deploys from the top. Yeah. And then you've got that nice button. Yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what I was expected. So why did I pick this up? I know there's people wanting to know, like, can I buy that right now? Can I use one of your links? I do have links for DLT Trading down in the description. You're of course welcome to use them. Unfortunately, this knife is sold out at the moment. I'm gonna guess they'll do another run of it. I picked this knife up, number one, because it was interesting, but number two, because I'm about to hit 30,000 subscribers, and I've got a giveaway coming up of multiple knives actually that I'm going to be giving away on this channel. And because I knew that this one would be hard to get, and you know, I think they sold out in an hour or two, I knew that people would probably really want it. I thought, why don't I pick one up and then give it away to one lucky winner along with a whole bunch of other knives and stuff. So not today, but coming soon. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Next week, probably on Saturday, I'll be revealing the knives that I'm going to give away, and this is going to be one of them. I think there are 8 knives in total. I can't remember exactly, but I'm going to be dropping a video where I explain, hey, these are the knives that I'm going to give away, and then I'm actually going to be giving them away on a live stream. Now, check the date on this video. If you're watching it the day that it was uploaded or within a week of it, then yeah, you're still within the time frame. But if you're watching this a year in the future, obviously the time has already passed, right? But yeah, I figured you guys would be excited to win the red M390 Smock from DLT, along with a whole bunch of other stuff, especially considering it's, you know, this isn't something that you can get right now. And I thought, you know, as much as I want to keep this for myself, I knew that would be something that I should do for all of the wonderful people who have subscribed to me over the last 2 years. I can't believe that, you know, we're about to hit 30,000. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited about this. And this one will get a full overview. I'll still do an overview of it, you know, before I actually give it away. But I just wanted to get it out there, talk about it a little bit. Man, I should have ordered 2. They had a 2 knife limit, and I really should have ordered a second one so that I could keep one and give one away. But I only ordered one, and you guys are somebody's gonna win it. So, anyways, hope you guys are excited. Hope that this was enjoyable. I hope you guys are intrigued for the live giveaway, which again will be next week. There is no entry on this video. The entry video and the live stream where I actually give the knives away is going to be next Saturday. So not tomorrow, but the Saturday after. And the live stream will take place at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. More details to come. Guys, that's going to be it for today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.